Is that a live event or something? What is this? I will be playing that. Will. I wonder what. And I'm already like, oh. Yeah, what was that, guys? What was that? Seriously, I need to know. Yeah, but welcome back to Animal Company Tuesday. Yeah, it's just Animal Company Tuesday. And yeah, we'll just be checking out the update, like always. And let's just get started. First thing I noticed was these things. That one goes to the stash, which goes to under there to just in the ground. Whoa. That's cool. That's really cool for buying things. That's actually really cool. Okay. Well, that goes from there to there, and then comes over there, goes over here. What? Does that mean? What's even? Does that go like that? I don't know. I'm very confused. What in the world is this? Shadow Reaper. Frog. I like this new buying system thing. Ooh, nice. I can't even see my eyes. Bro, do I not already have it? Just trying to equip this. Oh, because I have my eyes. Trying to do cat eye. Yeah. Ooh. I kind of like this one. I'm gonna use it. This will be my new skin type thing. Yeah, just normal stash. Why do I have two? Yeah, I really do not need two, so... Wait, can you put this in the grenade launcher? Should be able to, right? That's cool. You could put the golden grenades in the grenade launcher. Now my one, what happens? I have to put it in here. Take it back. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna just give 3 golden grenades. This bag. Will you? Can you not put it in a bag? Gosh. Extra long arms. you even? How do you physically? I mean, can you just like? Gosh. Oh, that worked. It's on there, so I could just place it in. Oh, it disappeared. Wait, what just happened to it? Oh. Went through. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah, let's see if that says. Ooh, Asher is going to see something new. This thing is just gonna be. Can't even get up there. Is that a new record? What's in here? Gosh darn it. Oh. Ah, okay. Okay. We are through. And what is that? Physically, what is that? I don't know. But what is? I hate it. I can't grab them anymore. Leave it on the day. Okay. Did the hot disk change? Nope. Hey. Is anything new in here? No. Actually, kind of done with an update. Only that is new. And chords. That's actually dumb. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I just want to do something real quick. Aim fire! I couldn't see that. Hold on. Aim fire! That's crazy. Do landmine games even work? Platform types. Yep. I have platforms, everybody. if you want some landmines, just, I don't know, just comment on the video you're using or something. I have so much stuff from like the OG Animal Company, you know? The OG map, I guess. Yeah. But that'll be it for today's video on Animal Company. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want some landmines, just comment down, I want landmines. So yeah. Bye.